现在我在这个地方是一个1776年盖的一个 battle house， 以前曾经在这儿打过仗，这是留下来的一个遗址，可以进到里面参观，但是必须要预约，只能就在外头看一下。这小 garden 做的多好看 ，so pretty。眼前的这就是 Greenwood Cemetery， 今天这里面有一个表演，就在它这个 cemetery 里面。今天这天比较阴，不然的话可以看得更远。前面就是那个中间的海之间，那边应该是 Staten Island。Go man。So we're here. Wait for the performers. Just take a look around.
My sweet, what did they do? They landed on Staten Island, thousands of them. You saw when we stood in that cabbage patch. Out we looked and she said, yay. What an awesome sight. And indeed, in those days, if you were filled with awe, you were filled with fear. Why, it seemed all from around the Atlantic Ocean that there were...
You don't have a gun, do you? Well, then I'll tell you. You two, all of you come with me. You're going to be manning cannon. And best be careful they don't explode. We've got some Molly pitchers. You'll fill a pitcher with water, won't you? As long as you're here, lass, we'll have you do that. And you can do it too.
They ate the stinkiest of cheeses. Would anyone like to know what the cheeses smelled like? Would you like to know? Well, you can come and smell my stocking. Let me see. I'll begin with Yankee. Yankee. Oh, there's a Dutch word for someone who is not very smart, like these Connecticut fellows. And that is a doodle. Someone who has just dead branches in their head. So, here we go. Yankee Doodle went to Albany. Yankee Doodle went to New York City. How about Yankee Doodle went to town? Now, how would one of these colonists travel to town? Especially when they are like children and need the king and his army here to protect them against the French. Oh, these colonists, they would ride upon a pony. There's my song. Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle, oh, you're a dandy, all right.
今天这个 cemetery 里面主要是讲 The Battle of Brooklyn， 以前在布鲁克林的时候曾经打过一个大仗。这个8月27号这个庆祝活动之所以在这里举行，在这个 cemetery 里面举行，是因为当年在1776年8月27号的时候，美国宣布了要从英国独立以后，第一场大战就是在这里打的。虽然是打输了，但是对后来非常重要。打仗的地方就是在现在这个 cemetery， 那个时候还不是一个 cemetery， 那个时候呢，这里还不是墓地，那个时候就是一些应该是荒山野岭吧。这里这个 Greenwood 墓地叫绿木墓地，应该是纽约最大的墓地之一。它是从19世纪初就变成一片墓地了，一直都保留到今天。这一片也很大。这个 Greenwood 的这个墓地比较出名，因为它有很多的历史价值，所以这里变成了一个公园了。很多人就在这儿喜欢来这儿溜达。最早我记得是我们以前的老邻居， Margaret 就跟我说，一定要到这个 Greenwood 墓地来走一走，这边特别好玩。不是应该好玩，应该特别好看，因为它这边是除了这些墓碑修得很漂亮，它这里头这个山上上下下的，走起来也很舒服。这些墓碑修的都特别漂亮。然后我的左手边就是曼哈顿了。This is a crown making station.
Uh-oh. What happened, Butchie? Butch, what happened to your wreath?
做完花环以后的旁边这些旗子，就是当年打仗的时候从各个地方来的人拿着代表自己那个地方的旗子。当年一共死了是5万个人。这个墓地非常的大，而且近看一下。如果要走的话，可以走很远很远。现在这个门的这个顶上已经有鸟巢了。往边上走，这边是它的厕所。Look at the koi. Some happy koi. Whoa. Huge. So pretty.
Did you take your dog with you to the battles?
No, not at all. They're home. Most important thing I need with me is my horse. I need my transportation. I need to get around.
Her trousers off, so she can't let him see her because she's a woman. So she goes into the woods. She has her a knife. So all of the soldiers in the army are given what we call a pen knife. It's a utility knife. The Americans were not trained the same way. A lot of us were hunters. We were good at hunting, squirrels, rabbits, pigeons, little animals that we would eat for our own consumption. So if you get very good at firing at something small that's moving, well, you can fire at a human being that is on the enemy side much more easily. The British Army was never taught how to aim their guns. They were taught how to fire all at the same time.
How are numbers?
Their numbers were so big that they didn't need to know how to aim. They just needed to know how to do it in unison. And then you take aim or present, fire, and then immediately after you fire, you put the gun back down to your hip and you get ready to reload again. So the gun is always being reloaded constantly.